Morning, guys. On our way to the bus stop. Oh. Good morning, Soph.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Yeah, ready for school. Hey, little buddy. Hey, guys. What's up? Here you go. Let's take sister to the bus stop. So what's going on at school today?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you have today?
Library.
Library. Do you still like library as much as you used to?
No, I don't really like it that much.
No. But you like picking out a book though, right? You're always excited about your new book. But why don't you like library? What do you do in there? Is it kind of boring?
Yeah, it's kind of boring.
So what do you guys do? You go in there. What's the first thing you guys do at library?
We just do a craft. We learned about penguins last time. We just wrote about them.
Penguins? Oh, and then what happens?
We pick out a book after we do craft.
Pick out a book and take that one home. Return your old one. Oh, okay. And what's boring about it? The craft part? Really? I'm surprised. You usually like crafts. How come you don't like these crafts? Anything about it? Do you not like the teacher, or?
I don't know. Just...
You don't know? Alright. Bless you, Max. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. You guys are so kind.
Bless you.
Thank you, Sophia. You're the best, sister. Oh, Sophia got a new LOL doll. Look at that one. Pop. That's pretty cool. What does she do? Does she do anything?
Yeah, she color changes a lot.
Oh, her hair. That was the one you showed me last night?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Her hair
That does change a lot.
turns white and pink.
White and pink, yeah. That was awesome. That was pretty cool. Here, show it. Let me see it. Wow. She's got a cup. Very cool. She has fancy glasses on.
And her spots go away. And
oh, she's got like chicken pox on her legs? Oh, wow.
And this turns red.
Really? Oh, her pants or something? Or shirt? Oh, that's cool. You like that one?
She's my favorite LOL I have.
Oh, she is? Aw.
And she has these red things on her wrist. And these cute white shoes.
Those bracelets or something?
Yeah, it also came with a white bracelet too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got some soda. Soda pop.
And she has these white
cute shoes. Yeah, they are cute. Nice. And you're bringing it to school to show your friends on the bus? Nice. Wow, you are doing a lot of playing, dude. A lot of playing. It's good to see. He's feeling way better these days. The biggest complaint he still has is a cough, which I guess walking around throughout the day doesn't really have that much of a cough. The problem is when you go feed him a bottle, every little drop of liquid that gets to his throat, he coughs, and sometimes it's just like bottle in, cough, bottle out, clear his throat, bottle in, cough, bottle out, clear his throat. It's just like a cycle, and it's annoying, and I hate to bother him, but like he needs to drink his bottle, you know. He's not finishing some of them because it's just too much at this point. So I'm just hoping and waiting for this this phlegm and mucus and cough to like go away or get better, because it's tough. But he's playing now. He's happy again. He's laughing again. He's a happy little boy again. Loves his toys. Look at him exploring everything. Goes from there to there to there to there to there. All around the circle. Back and forth. It's the cutest thing. Oh, your cups. He loves his cups. Nice cups, dude. Very cool cups. Moving on. Hoo-wee, guys. So, I just I have a a game called Fitness Boxing on the Switch, and you stand there and you box, basically. And it's the first time I've had it for a while. I haven't used it yet, and then I got the flu, so I finally used it, and wow, it is quite a workout. So I already closed my exercise ring. I'm supposed to get 30 minutes. I got 40 minutes already. You know, it's only 9:40 a.m. And out of 850 moves, I'm already at 633. Wow, that was a really good workout. Wow, that is awesome. That was a lot better than I thought. See, I got that mainly for days that I couldn't get out or didn't want to go to the gym or whatever. Today's a good example, because I'll be home with the baby all day, and then when Liz and Sophia get home, basically they're leaving in like an hour and a half. So that's when we gotta do dinner and all that kind of stuff. And then they're leaving. They have to go to a couple stores, and then Sophia has Girl Scouts tonight. And then they'll be back at like bedtime for Sophia. So I mean, I could always go out later at night, but like it's nice to be able to exercise in. But guys, that's like a workout. Me going out and walking really fast, yeah, that's kind of a workout. But this is hardcore. It's awesome. It's really good. So if you have the Switch and you like fitness boxing is pretty darn cool. So anyway, just Max was good. He was chilling in there with me. He didn't bother me. I didn't think he would bother me. And it's not like a regular fitness one. You're not doing like kicks and stuff. It's just like punches and stuff. Which is perfect, because like if he comes up to my feet, it's no problem. It's not like, come on Max, I got a kick, and then end up kicking him in the face. I don't have to worry about that. It's all upper body, so it's cool. He hung out with me. He played with his toys. He was watching the screen. He was watching me. He had a good time watching me. And then he started getting tired towards the end, and just put him down for a nap. So I'm gonna cool down for a little bit, and then I'll shower. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna upload right now. I have to upload today's video, and then I'll shower. Whew, that was a good workout. Okay, I showered, and I decided I'm gonna make diet update video number 2. I feel like it's a good time. It's been about a week. There's some updates I can update about, and yeah, I'm gonna do it in the same spot, I think, right over here. I'm kind of picking over here with this kind of like the backdrop. The only reason is it's just windows, and like, I don't know. This looks nicer, I guess, than like that messy craft table or something like that. So anyway, I'm gonna film that video. Max is still down. Okay, so this is the setup for my diet update video. If you guys want to see my setup, I'm just sitting over here, and this is what the setup looks like. So there's my camera. I got a sleeping baby over there, my water, and that was my notes that I took for the video. Actually, it was here, which is perfect. Look, it's right by the thing, so my eyes are not moving too far away from the screen. But yeah, that worked good. He's still down, so I'm actually gonna go flip these clips over to my computer, maybe edit it if he's still sleeping. He probably should be still sleeping, so I might actually edit this. All right, bottle is warming, and I'm having myself lunch. This is the prepared meal. This is the one that I made in the video for you guys, the meal prep video, which actually just went out. Just went out an hour ago. So yeah, these veggies look better. They look better because I cooked it in a pan this time rather than roasting them in the oven. And I think that might be the way to do it. I think they may be more delicious. Plus I added more stuff to it. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy some lunch here and watch some YouTube. Max should be getting up soon, and I'll give him his bottle as soon as I'm done, pretty much. Got my water. I put some lemon in it. I much prefer lemon water over regular water. I mean, I'll drink regular water, but lemon makes it a lot better. All right, lunch was good. I did a good job on that. It's my favorite one yet, 3rd week. So I got a bottle here. I'm gonna go get Max now and feed him. So feeding him is really tough right now because he coughs. He's got mucus, and he, you know, any kind of liquid going down his throat, he's coughing. It's really difficult to get a bottle down. A lot of times he doesn't finish the bottle because he's getting over his flu, but or his cold, whatever he had, probably the flu. He was wiped out for a week, but he's still way better now. But I think I'm starting to find. Close your rings, Rob. Yeah, I know I'm close. Stop pressuring me, Apple Watch. I think I'm starting to find something where if he's laying down on his playmat, on his changing table right here, turn his head sideways and put the bottle in, it's been kind of working. So I'm gonna try this feeding just like that, and hopefully we get the bottle down. Hi, dude. What's up? What's up? Tickle, 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 tickle. You ready for a bottle? No. Come here. Wanna sit up? Sit up. Yay! Let's go eat. Change diaper and stuff. Good nap though? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright guys, whatever it is, it worked. It worked. That was rather easy compared to the feedings for the past few days. There must be something about it. Some kind of science where when the head is turned, it deviates it away from the mucus and stuff. I don't know what it is, but something about it. I've been noticing kind of like feeding him. We do him on there a lot. Well, now. We used to when we had a lot of problems feeding him, but I don't really do that anymore. But lately I've been going back there and feeding him on the changing table, and still doesn't help. But I've been noticing whenever his head was turned, it seemed to go down and work a little bit better yesterday, I noticed. So today I'm trying the new technique, and it's been working, so I'm glad. I'm glad I found something to get your milk down, buddy. Yeah! Yeah! Awesome! Cool. Alright, toy time. I didn't clean up your toys, so it's still pretty much exactly how you left it, okay? Alright, I didn't disturb anything. Okay? I don't know if you care. Probably not. Alright. Oh! Here we go. Boy! You can play with this, play some music. Here you go. Here you go. Hug him. Hug. Hug. Alright, cavatelli and broccoli time. I got some broccoli here. Boiling water for the cavatelli. This is frozen cut up basil. I didn't want to go bad last time, so I froze it. Chopped it up already. And minced garlic. For now, we got the oil as well. What else do I need? Broccoli, basil, salt, Parmesan cheese. That's pretty much it. Hey, Soph, welcome back.
Hi.
And garlic challenge. Open up.
That looks like pastina.
It does look like pastina, but it's a square of minced garlic. Let's cook it. And there it is. Not too shabby looking. We had this the other day and it was good, so yeah. God, that dinner came out good. It came out better than last time. You guys didn't see last time. I don't think I was vlogging that day. But yeah, it's a pretty simple recipe. Just cavatelli, broccoli, some oiled basil. I showed you guys everything. Actually, yeah, I said it all already. Hey man. Hey man. So you didn't have homework today. That's kind of a surprise. It's weird. It's a random Wednesday. I don't know, it's no holiday.
Bah.
Bah? What do you mean, bah? Bah what? They left. They have a couple stores to hit, and then they have Girl Scouts. So Sophia's excited about that. She likes her Girl Scouts. Little Girl Scouts meeting. Maybe you'll go to Boy Scouts? I was never in it. I don't know what it's about. Tying knots or something? Camping? I don't know. Surviving in the wilderness? Selling cookies? I don't know. Oh no, that's a girl thing, right? Girl Scouts thing. I don't think Boy Scouts sell cookies. What's up, buddy? What's up with your bicycles? You got bicycles on your bib, and you got trains on your pajamas. Isn't that cool? You don't think it's cool? I think it's pretty cool. You got a lot of modes of transportation on you. And me, I'm just gray, man. Gray, gray, gray. All different shades of gray. Just 3 of them, though. Mama's gone. Mama's out of here. Dada's here, though. Dad. So yeah, I can't wait to do fitness boxing tomorrow. I'm probably going to do it tomorrow too, because it'll be a little bit difficult to get out, because we have tennis at night and stuff. So if I'm trying to rush, might as well do it during the day or in the morning like I did today. Do my workout. Ouch. Ouch. Anyway, guys, I think that's going to be it. I'm just going to give him one more bottle eventually. Not yet. Probably in an hour and a half or something like that. And put him to bed and blah, blah, blah. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
No matter what this life may bring, I'm looking on the plus side of things. Whether rain or shine, you can have this heart of mine. I'm looking on the plus side of things. Oh yeah, I'm looking on the plus side of things.